and Rose are on our way out of Salt Lake City. We are headed out towards Grantsville, Utah, and we're gonna go for a hike today. We're gonna go hit one of the taller peaks in, I guess, this area of Utah. So that is Deseret Peak up there. Those mountains right there. That one is Deseret Peak. It is about just over 11,000 feet tall. It's gonna be quite the hike. Super stoked. Ooh, look at that big mountain over there. I love big mountains. I love big mountains. We're gonna get to the top of that baby. That baby right there. Welcome to Wasatch National Forest. It's a great place. The journey's only just begun. Well, made it. Parking lot's full. It's just over yonder, and trailhead is just over yonder, but made it up here. Roads are good. Car made it. Really excited to see the trail. This is the parking lot and bathrooms, and here's the trailhead. This is where it all begins. This is Rose. This is my puppy Rose. She's the best trail dog ever. What up? The edge is never dull. I love it. It's just nice to get away from everything. Just get out here. Fresh mountain air. This beauty. Made quite a bit of progress. It's going well. Rose is a little tuckered out, as am I, but we got this. Starts to get pretty steep up through this area. Whew. Gotta keep my balance. Made it. Came up that. It's a pretty steep section. Pretty good. Got up to this cornice area, and we get to continue up that way. The top is up there. Met some friends, so we took Rose off. Going well. There we go. And we're off. Rose, stop. Cool little spot. Rose, stay up here. She's just an explorer. She's an explorer, Rose. We got ourselves an explorer. It's just beautiful. Well, onward we go. It's absolutely gorgeous up here. Probably 10, 11,000 feet. It's thin air, but it's good air. This is what we live for. got snow. Nice. Just a little ways to go. Oh damn. Let's continue. Stop, Rose. You're scaring me. Out to the peak. We're pretty much here. Pretty much here. Ah. Woo! Made it. Wow. Oh, this is great. So that is Grantsville. Salt Lake is on the other side of those little mountains there. It's, you can't tell how much you can see because, you know, there's a lot of smoke from fires around. Amazon forest is on fire. Salt Flats way out there. A little small mountain range here. I think Wendover should just be somewhere out there. Making it to the top. Oh yeah. Got a nice little spot where we're blocked from the wind because it's super windy up here. Hey Rose, don't step on my sandwich. Stop for some lunch. Gonna grab a snack, bite it down. Yeah, it's pretty epic up here. Come up for a long, long time. It's really good to be back. Feels like you're on top of the world. Get out of here, fly. Hi, Rose. I'll give you some in a second. Now on the north face, north ridge. Got a happy Rose, a happy Chase, on a happy earth. Just gotta say I love big mountains. I love big mountains. So lucky to live on Earth. Welcome being out here, and I know on this north side I'm pretty much the only person out here. Me and my dog Rose. So everyone does the out and back. I decided to do the, I guess the loop. Ooh. I don't know. I just like to see it all. Well, so we've hiked the whole like Deseret Peak ridge line, and now it's finally to the down part where we start heading down. It's been a good hike. It was beautiful out here. I made a good choice today coming out. It's been good. It's been good. Thanks for joining me. Oh, Pop. We're still not done. But look at that. Good old posy. I came down from up there, hiked through here. It's gorgeous. South Willow Lake. We'll head off that way. I'll have to take you there another time, another day, because already this trek I've done. So I'm gonna head that way to the Loop campground where I parked. It has been, I love this place. Back into some shade. It's been nice, because the sun has been brutal. This has been a wonderful hike. So many things that the earth has to offer. They're so great to enjoy. I know I ain't gonna live forever. So I'm just gonna find it. Oh, check this out. So I started like way off over there, hiked up that ridge, got to the top. I think that's the peak. I don't know. That's the peak. And then we hiked our way around the mountain. And I've made my way back over to here, underneath the peak. This is just amazing. So much gratitude. Sweet tree. Hope you liked the trip. It was a good time. Thanks for coming with me.
Hell yeah. Like the video, like and subscribe.